Hello students, today we are going to discuss about food culture traditions in India. In India there are 29 states. Different states have different cultures and tradition. Now let us discuss about them in detail. First was Andhra Pradesh. In Andhra Pradesh the traditional food was pesarattu, pulusu, arisalu, పూతరేకులు, rasam and vepudu. In Andhra Pradesh, mostly the people use the rice-based food and also they eat very spicy. And the traditional dress in Andhra Pradesh was dhoti and kurtas for men and saris for women. And the traditional dance of Andhra Pradesh is Kuchipudi. And the official language of Andhra Pradesh was Telugu. And the other parts of the state use Savara and Galori, etc. The next state was Arunachal Pradesh. The traditional food of Arunachal Pradesh was momos, rice with fish and rice beer. And the traditional dress for Arunachal Pradesh is monapas for men and chimis for women. And the traditional dance of Arunachal Pradesh is Barado Cham. And the official languages of Arunachal Pradesh was Hindi and English. Other parts of the Arunachal Pradesh use Tani, Bodik, Miju languages. And another state is Assam. The traditional food of Assam was khar, tenga with betel nut and pan. And the traditional dresses for Assam was dhoti and kurta for men and muga for women. And the traditional dances of Assam was Bihu and Jumar Nach. And the official language of Assam was Assamese. Next state was Bihar. The traditional food of Bihar was litti chokka, sattu paratha and Bihari fish curry. The traditional dress for Bihar was dhoti, kurta and gamcha for men and sari and choli tops for women. And the traditional dance of Bihar was Kajari dance and Jat Jatin dance. The official language of Bihar was Hindi. Other parts of the state use Maithili and Bhojpuri languages. The another state was Chhattisgarh. The traditional food of Chhattisgarh was jalebis, pita and rakia badi. Most of the food of Chhattisgarh was prepared by maize, wheat and jowar. The traditional dresses of Chhattisgarh was dhoti and cotton turbans as headgears for men and saris for women. The traditional dance of Chhattisgarh was Panti and Raut Nacha. And the official languages of Chhattisgarh was Chhattisgarhi and also Hindi. The another state was Goa. The traditional food in Goa was coconut milk, rice, seafood and gone fish curry. The traditional dresses of Goa was dhoti, shirt for men and sari for women. And the traditional dances of Goa was Dekni, Kumbi and Gufto. And the official languages of Goa was Konkani, Marathi and Portuguese. Another state was Gujarat. The traditional food of Gujarat was kandui, dokla, roti, dal rice, etc. And the traditional dress of Gujarat was dhotis and kurtas for men and chaniya choli and salwar kameez for women. And the traditional dances of Gujarat was Garba and Dandiya Ras. And the official language of Gujarat was Gujarati. The next state was Haryana. The traditional food of Haryana was kheer, rotis and churma, and the dairy product is lassi. And the traditional dress for Haryana is dhoti kurta with juttis and turban for men, and gagra choli with oni for women. And the traditional dance of Haryana was Saag dance and Chatti dance. And the official language of Haryana was Haryanvi, and also they use Hindi. And another state was Himachal Pradesh. The traditional food of Himachal Pradesh was Madira, patir, til chutney, red meat and wheat bread. And the traditional dress of Himachal Pradesh was dhoti kurta or pajama kurta for men, and gagra, lehenga choli and kurtis for women. The traditional dance of Himachal Pradesh was Kinnauri, Nati and Namagen. And the traditional and the official language of Himachal Pradesh was Hindi and Pahari. Another state was Jharkhand. The traditional food of Jharkhand was roti, chaula, dal, takri and bhujia. And the traditional dress of Jharkhand was Bhagwan dhoti kurta with turban for men and sari for women. And the traditional dances of Jharkhand was Paika dance and Mardani Jumar. And the traditional and the official language of Jharkhand was Hindi. And the other parts in the state use Santali, Mandari and Karya languages. Andhra Pradesh traditional food was pesarattu, pulusu, aisalu, pootarekalu, rasam and vepudu. Their traditional dress was dhoti, kurtas and saris. And the dance was Kuchipudi. Official language is Telugu. Arunachal Pradesh traditional food is momos, rice with fish and rice beer. The traditional dresses for Arunachal Pradesh, monapas and chimneys. And the traditional dance of the Arunachal Pradesh was Barado Chaman. Official language was Hindi. Assam's traditional food was Kar, Tenga with betel nut and pan. The traditional dress is dhoti, kurta and muga. And the traditional dances of Assam was Bihu and Jumar Nach. Official language was Assamese. Next, Bihar. The traditional food of Bihar was litti chokka and sattu paratha, Bihari fish curry. And the traditional dresses of Bihar was dhoti, kurta, gamcha, sari and choli tops. The traditional dance of Bihar was Kajari and Jat Jatin dance. Official language was Hindi. Chhattisgarh. The traditional food was jalebis, pita and rakia badi. And the traditional dress was dhoti, cotton turbans as headgears and saris. And the dance of the Chhattisgarh was Panthi and Raut Nacha. Official language was Chhattisgarhi. Goa. The traditional food is coconut milk, rice, seafood and gone fish curry. And the traditional dress is dhoti, shirt and sari. Traditional dance is Dekni, Kumbi and Gofto. And the official language is Konkani, Marathi and Portuguese. Gujarat. The traditional food is Kandui, Dokla, Roti, Dal and rice. And the traditional dress is dhoti, kurtas, chaniya choli and salwar kameez. And the dances were Garba and Dandiya Ras. Official language was Gujarati. Haryana. The traditional food is kheer, rotis, churma and dairy product is lassi. The traditional dress of Haryana was dhoti kurta with juttis and turbans, gagra choli with oni. And the traditional dance of Haryana was Saag dance and Chatti dance. Official language was Haryanvi. And the Himachal Pradesh traditional food was Madira, patir, til chutney, red meat and wheat bread. Traditional dress is dhoti kurta or pajama kurta. Girls gagra, lehenga choli and kurtis. Traditional dance was Kinnari Nati and Namagen. Official language was Hindi. Jharkhand. Traditional food was roti, chawla, dal, tarkari, bhujia. And the traditional dress was Bhagwan, dhoti kurta with turban and saris. Official traditional dance was Paiki dance and Mardani Jumar. Official language was Hindi. The next state was Karnataka. And the traditional food of Karnataka was misbeli bath, holigi, vangi bath and uppittu etc. And the traditional dress of Karnataka was shirt and panche for men and silk sarees for women. And the traditional dance of Karnataka was Kunita and Kombat. And the traditional language and official language of Karnataka was Kannada. And some other parts of the Karnataka use Tulu, Konkani, Urdu and Kodava. The next state was Kerala. The traditional food of Kerala was Appam, Puttu, Chapati, Idiyappam and Sadhya. And the traditional dress of Kerala was Lungi and Mundu with shirt for men and set saree with gold border for women. And the traditional dance of Karnataka was Kathakali. And the official language of Kerala was Malayalam. Next state was Maharashtra. The traditional food of Maharashtra was Purampoli, Pav Bhaji and Batata Vada and Pani Puri. And the traditional dress of Maharashtra was Dhotar and Pita for men and Lugda and Nawari sari for women. And the traditional dance of Maharashtra was Lavani. The official language of Maharashtra was Marathi. Next state was Madhya Pradesh. The traditional food of Madhya Pradesh was bafla with dal, palak puri, poha, keema and korma and biryani and also pilaf etc. And the traditional dress of Madhya Pradesh was dhoti kurta with turban for men and sari for women. And sari and lehenga cholis for women. The traditional dance of Madhya Pradesh was Tattali and Charkula. And the official language of Madhya Pradesh was Hindi. The different parts in the state use Marathi, Malvi, Nimadi and Bandeli etc. Next state was Manipur. The traditional food of Manipur was oti vegetables or bamboo shoot with dal and rice or Hawaii etc. The traditional dress of Manipur was jacket style with dhoti and white turban for men and inapi and panik for women. And the traditional dance of Manipur was Dol Cholam and the official language was Manipuri. Another state was Meghalaya. The traditional food of Meghalaya was Minil Songa and Sakin Gata etc. And the traditional dress of Meghalaya was dhoti for men and saris for women. These dhoti and saris are in the Mulberry silk. And the traditional dance of Meghalaya was Laho dance. The official language was Garo and Kasi. Next state was Mizoram. The traditional food of Mizoram was Misamach Pora, Bai and Vaksha Rib etc. And the traditional dress of Mizoram was red and white colored coat for men and pan for women. And the traditional dance of Mizoram was Chirau dance. And the official language of Mizoram was Mizo and English. Different places in Mizoram use different languages, Aso, Halam and Cho etc. Next state was Nagaland. The traditional food of Nagaland was bamboo shoot, bushmeat and exon etc. The traditional dress of Nagaland was Ratafpe and lungi for men and Angami for women. The traditional dance of Nagaland was Changlo, Aluyattu, Kuki dance and Maori dance, etc. And the traditional and the official languages of Nagaland was Sumi, Lota, Sangtam, Agani, Pochuri, Pom, Tangal and Maram, etc. The next state was Odisha. The traditional food of Odisha was chuda, rice, dal, ambila, fish curry, fish fry, fish curry, prawn curry, eggs, etc. And the traditional dress of Odisha was gamcha, dhoti, kurta for men and sabalpuri, kataki saris for women. And the traditional dance of Odisha was Gotipua and Odissi, and the official language of Odisha was Odia. The next state was Punjab. The traditional food of Punjab was dal makhani, chole, tandoori chicken, lam biryani, pork pickle, Amritsar fish, etc. And the traditional dress of Punjabi was kurta with pajama for men and salwar kameez patiala suit for women. And the traditional dance of Punjab was Bhangra, and the official language of Punjab was Punjabi. Karnataka, the traditional food was bisli bath, hongli, wangi bath and uppittu. Dress was shirt, panche and silk sarees. Dances was kunita, comb art, and the official language was Karnataka. Kerala, food appam, puttu, chapati, idiyappam and sadhya. And the dress was lungi and mundu with shirt and set sari with gold border. And the official dance was Kathakali. Official language Malayalam. Maharashtra, food Puranpoli, Pav Bhaji, Batavada and Pani Puri. Dresses Dhotar Peta and Lungda Nauri sarees. Dances was Lavani and official language was Marathi. Madhya Pradesh food was bafla with dal, palak puri, poha, keema and korma, biryani, pilaf. The traditional dress was dhoti kurta with turban and sari lehenga choli. Traditional dance was Tattali and Charkula. Official language was Hindi. Manipur food was oti vegetables or bamboo shoot with dal and rice and havi, etc. Dresses was jacket style with dhoti and white turban and inapi and panik. The traditional dance was dol cholam, and the official language was Manipuri. Meghalaya, food was Minal Songa, Sakin Gata, etc. And the traditional dress was dhoti and saris. The traditional dance was Laho dance, and the official language was Garo and Kasi. Mizoram, the traditional food was Misamachpuri by Vaksha Rep, and the traditional dress was red white colored coat and puna and pound, and the traditional dance was Chirau dance, and the official language was Mizo and English. Nagaland, the traditional food was bamboo shoot, bushmeat and exon, and the traditional dress was ratappi and lungi and angami. The traditional dance was kuku dance, Maori dance and changlo and aluyattu, and the official languages were Sumi, Lohta, Sangtam and Angami, etc. Odisha, the traditional food was chuda, rice, dal, ambila, fish curry, fish fry and prawn curry, eggs, etc. And the traditional dance was the traditional dress was gamchu dhoti, kurta, sabalpuri and kataki sarees. And the traditional dances was Gotipua and Odishi. Official language was Odia. The next state was Punjab. The food was dal makhani, chole, tandoori chicken, lam biryani, pork pickle, Amritsar fish, etc. And the traditional dress was kurta with pajama and salwar kameez, patiala suit for women. And the traditional dance was Bhangra, and the official language of Punjab was Punjabi. The next state was Rajasthan. The traditional food of Rajasthan was dal bati, churma, and gatti ki sabji, mirchi bada. And the traditional dress of Rajasthan was kurtis with pajama, dhotis for men, and ghagra for women. And the traditional dance of Rajasthan was Ghumar. And the official language of Rajasthan was Rajasthani. Next state was Sikkim. The traditional food of Sikkim was Gyatuk and Tukpa, etc. And the traditional dresses for men and women was called as Bakhu. The traditional dances of Sikkim was Singhi and Chum. And the official language of Sikkim was Bhutia. And next state was Tamil Nadu. The traditional food of Tamil Nadu was idli, dosa, vada. And the traditional dresses of Tamil Nadu was mundu and shirts for women, mundu and shirts for men, and pattu pavada, half saree for women. The traditional dance of Tamil Nadu was Bharatanatyam, and the official language of Tamil Nadu was Tamil. And next state was Tripura. The traditional food of Tripura was rice beer, rice flour, and Burma, etc. And the traditional dresses of Tripura was Rikutu Gamcha and Kubi for men, and Ranai and Risa for women. And the traditional dance of Tripura was Hojgiri, and the official languages of Tripura was Bengali and Kok Barak. Next state was Uttar Pradesh. The traditional food of Uttar Pradesh was puri aloo, kachori, nimona, bati, choka, and tehari, kadai chawal. And the traditional dress of Uttar Pradesh was dhoti kurta and dhoti pajama for men, and sari and salwar kameez for women. And the traditional dance of Uttar Pradesh was Kathak and Karkula dance. And the official language of Uttar Pradesh was Hindi, and also Urdu, Bhojpuri, and Bandeli. Next state was West Bengal. The traditional food of West Bengal was Mach, Bhat, Sak, and Dal, etc. And the traditional dress of West Bengal was dhoti kurta for men and sari in Bengali style for women. And the dance of West Bengal was Chho dance and Gudiya Nritya. And the official language was Bengali. Next state was Uttarakhand, and the traditional food of Uttarakhand was Chinso, Kafuli, Joli, Road, and the desserts was Kesar Halwa, Gulgula, Arsa, etc. And the traditional dress of Uttarakhand was dhoti kurta and dhoti with shirt for men, and gagra choli for women. And the traditional dance of Uttarakhand was Chanchari, Chapeli, Bhotia, etc. And the official languages of Uttarakhand was Garhwali, Kumaoni, Hindi, and the only Sanskrit is only used in the Uttarakhand in India. Next state was Telangana. The traditional food of Telangana was Halim and Nahari, etc. And the traditional dress of Telangana was dhoti kurtas for men and sari for women. And the traditional dance of Telangana was Perini and Marfa dance. Official languages are Telugu and Urdu. Jammu Kashmir is the United Territory from 2019 October 31st. There are only 28 states in India, and the Jammu Kashmir is a union territory from October 31st 2019. The traditional food of Jammu Kashmir was dum aloo, ragon josh, and yakini, etc. and the traditional dress of Jammu Kashmir was Patani shoot for men and chudidar salwar for women. The traditional dance of Jammu Kashmir was Kurd and Damhal dance, and the official languages of Jammu Kashmir was Kashmiri, Hindi, Urdu and English. These are about the culture and traditions of some of the states in India. Hope you all understand this class. Thank you.